The prostate is a walnut-sized organ that sits deep in the pelvis at the opening of the bladder and provides the majority of the ejaculate fluid in a man. As a man gets older, a few things can happen that affect the prostate. Number one, a man can develop inflammation of the prostate called prostatitis, which can cause certain pains and discomforts. Two, a condition called BPH or benign prostatic enlargement can develop, leading to some urinary symptoms such as urgency, frequency, a slow stream, and other nighttime voids. Thirdly, prostate can develop into prostate cancer, which is the second most common cancer in men. For more information about these conditions and to learn more about the prostate, visit our website at radroboticsurgery.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.